Question number 1. Which is the largest river in South America? The correct answer is option D, Amazon River. Question number 2. What is the name of the main river in Egypt? The correct answer is option B, Nile River. Question number 3. Which system controls body activities with hormones? The correct answer is option A, endocrine system. Question number 4. What was the script used by the Harappan civilization? The correct answer is option D, the Indus script. Question number 5. Who received the first Bharat Ratna? The correct answer is option B, C. Rajgopalasari. Question number 6. Who was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize? The correct answer is option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 7. What is the highest military award in India? The correct answer is option A, Paramveer Chakra. Question number 8. What is the natural satellite of the Earth? The correct answer is option D, Moon. Question number 9. What is the Sun mainly made of? The correct answer is option C, hydrogen and helium. Question number 10. What is the name of the first artificial satellite? The correct answer is option D, Sputnik 1. Question number 11. Madhubani painting originated in which Indian state? The correct answer is option B, Bihar. Question number 12. The Taj Mahal is an example of which style of architecture? The correct answer is option C, Mughal architecture. Question number 13. What is the traditional dress of Japan? The correct answer is option B, kimono. Question number 14. What layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? The correct answer is option D, stratosphere. Question number 15. What is India's rank in world economy by GDP? The correct answer is option C, 5th. Question number 16. Which city is known as the financial capital of India? The correct answer is option D, Mumbai. Question number 17. What is the name of India's stock exchange? The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Option A, National Stock Exchange. Option B, Bombay Stock Exchange. Question number 18. Who is the current governor of RBI? The correct answer is option A, Sanjay Malhotra. Question number 19. When was the Goods and Service Tax GST implemented in India? The correct answer is option B, 2017. Question number 20. Who is the current Finance Minister of India as of 2025? The correct answer is option A, Nirmala Sitharaman. Question number 21. What is the capital of Thailand? The correct answer is option D, Bangkok. Question number 22. What is the name of India's space agency? The correct answer is option B, ISRO. Question number 23. What is the name of the Indian moon mission launched in 2023? The correct answer is option is Chandrayaan-3. Question number 24. Where will the 2028 Summer Olympics be held? The correct answer is option is Los Angeles, USA. Question number 25. Which Indian female athlete is known as the Golden Girl? The correct answer is option B, PT Usha. Question number 26. Where is the Sundarbans Delta located? The correct answer is option A, West Bengal. Question number 27. Who was the last victory of British India? The correct answer is option A, Lord Mountbatten. Question number 28. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre occur? The correct answer is option D, 1919. Question number 29. In which country did the Renaissance begin? The correct answer is option C, Italy. Question number 30. Who became the first black president of South Africa? The correct answer is option D, Nelson Mandela.